namhlanje angibuya endlini sungithole yadini
Ibukhosini isinceda kakhulu ngokuthi si-advertise i-business yethu.
There will be more than 8,000 people labetala kule event lena, so siyothola i-exposure.
Kushenye sound siyawa kumnandi khuphuka dust kanti ngoba ungathukisana ngihamba nezami or I choose macala lokade for insimbi nayasho busy ngeyibamba sifithi isipati kudabukisa i-VIP ya.
This is the PS event in Komazi and we appreciate that.
Singing for five. Singing for five. Singing for five. Got you for five.
Baby, are you coming? As you can see, the people came out in numbers. Ebukhosini Resort, Sazo Bamnandi. We guarantee you the best fun ever.
Invades Ebukhosini. We in Mpumalanga. We have massive turnout. As you can see, it's happening. The camera can tend to that right now. It's massive.
Sibonga support nje abantu ukuthi bafike okwesibili sifikile la. So siyababonga abantu baseMpumalanga.
Thapelo from Northwest Wokonemo Pirima.
Kubelo Sanchala ga di celebrity raba shoota raba posta raba Instagram raba trendisa which means raba controller. Kubelo Sanchala ga di celebrity raba shoota raba posta raba Instagram.
Umnanda yadini enkomazi umnanda yadini ebukhosini.
Ebukhosini umnanzi blind.
Umnandi kakhulu yo siyakhipha.
Oh my God.
Thanks to everybody who came. The energy was real. Everyone was turning up.
Uchemani nezakhele lo. Siyabonga kakhulu ningayeki ukusupporta mesenza event la ekhaya.
My fans, Ebukhosini Resort, bantu baseMpumalanga, bantu base South Africa, bantu baseNkomazi,
Shapere uze ntwana ku Costa the car qeda ukubulala la state eyathini belizile eMpumalanga but yazi belize ebukhosini make sure now ukuthi mula iduze nje ushaye around ebukhosini resort bengila bengikhona ziyawa serious uzwakale la
Nokumlanzi bo DJ bethu bala Mpumalanga ba representile.
Namhlanje angibuye endlini singithole yadini kwaze kwamnandi endathakusa ongibamba kamnandi endathakusa
Bukhosini siyabonga la event beyimnanzi sicela niphinzele yona.
Mina ngijabule kakhulu bafuthi that's why ngamungi kumanje.
Khosini bekumnanzi.
I'm from Swaziland. Si enjoyile kakhulu lesibonga nje sibebete dlame.
kwaze kwamnandi endathakusa ongibamba kamnandi endathakusa kwaze kwamnandi endathakusa ongibamba kamnandi Mona Lisa